Welcome back, everybody. My name is Jodi if you're new here. I'm going to be going over the bathroom kit that I will be carrying for my Appalachian through hike attempt in 2024. So first off, I have my pee style. So I will be carrying a pee style. It's a urinary device. It comes in this little bag, and this will be attached to my backpack on the outside. And then also attached to this will be my cooler cloth. So this has micro antibacterial on the inside, and it snaps up like this, closed. And this is also micro antibacterial. So I will have this attached. Here we go. So that will be attached to the outside of my pack, and I will be using that. Now, the reason I have the pee style is because I think it will help with my knees. So I won't be doing all that squatting and then that way I don't have to take my backpack off every time I have to go use the washroom as well. So next up we have my antibacterial hand gel, which is attached to my Space Bear bag, which has poop emojis all over it. It's made of Dyneema, so it is waterproof and very light. Inside, I have toilet paper, baby wipes, and I also have the Vargo Dig. So this is the Vargo Titanium Dig. And this, if you haven't watched my L&T video yet and you're not aware, you will need to dig a hole to go to the bathroom if there are no privies around, and the hole needs to be 6 to 8 inches deep. So I know around here to dig a hole 6 to 8 inches is quite a job because we have a lot of roots and rocks. So if you notice on this trowel, it has these sharp edges, so I'm able to dig a hole quite easily. So that's what I have for a trowel. So that's it for my bathroom kit. I don't think I'm missing anything, but if I am, comment below, let me know, or maybe you have something you think that works better for me and you can put it below as well. I'll also link my L&T video below in case you missed watching that, and it explains about the leave no trace and digging the holes when going to the bathroom. So until the next one, keep exploring. Bye.